In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Drive storage subscription. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete this task smoothly and efficiently. So, whether you've been using Google Drive for a short time or for years, canceling your storage subscription doesn't have to be a hassle. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google One homepage. Once you're there, look for the Storage option on the left-hand side of the screen under the Google One Apps interface. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page that highlights your current storage usage and subscription details. Next, locate the Manage Plan button, usually near the top of the screen or adjacent to your storage details. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can review your existing plan. Here, you'll find options to adjust or cancel your active subscription. Since we're looking to cancel, go ahead and click on the Cancel Plan option. At this point, Google may prompt you with a confirmation message. This is a standard step to ensure you are aware of what you're about to do. Carefully read through the message, which typically includes information about what will happen to your stored data after canceling. Your stored files should remain accessible, but any additional perks provided by a storage subscription will no longer be available after the billing cycle ends. Once you've confirmed your decision to cancel, simply hit the Confirm or Cancel Plan button, as prompted. Your subscription cancellation is now in process. You should receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter, confirming that your subscription will not renew after the current billing cycle. Although you've canceled the subscription, you can still manage your files on Google Drive. It's important to note that if your storage usage exceeds the free limit, you may need to reduce your stored data to continue accessing your drive without issues. Consider deleting unnecessary files or transferring them to another storage service if you anticipate a need to free up space. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully canceled your Google Drive storage subscription. Remember, you can always reinstate a subscription if your storage needs change in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Until next time, take care and happy organizing your digital space.